How to fix the page isn't available right now on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to access a page, however, you cannot view the page with the error code page is not available right now. If that is the case, ensure the link or the username is correct. Make sure you have logged into Instagram before accessing to the page. If you are using a browser, make sure to use a different browser or the device to log in. Sometimes it could be a temporary glitch with the Instagram. To solve it, make sure to clear the Instagram app cache and data. To do so, head over to the home settings, long press your Instagram app and go to app info. Tap on the option of storage and cache and then clear the cache and clear the data or storage. This will now ask you to log in back again. Give in your correct credentials to log in to access the page. However, if the page has already been deleted or the user has blocked you, in that case, you won't be able to access the page. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.